should have parked that car with the blower and the ring.
What's going on, guys? Mad Shenanigans here. As you can see today, we had a few friends over for a nice little car show. There's some pretty okay cars. I wouldn't say my stock Jeep is the best out of them all, but yeah, we're gonna see some sick cars. Enjoy.
Turn my music up, turn my music up, turn my music up, turn my music up.
You want that real, yeah. Say no more, say no more, say no more. You wanna vibe, say no more. Say no more, say no more. You want it all, say no more. Say no more, say no more. You want it real, yeah. Say no more, say no more, say no more. Fans wanna hear this. Work is trying to get rich. Labels finally heard the buzz. Now we the one on this grid. Of course you know what it is. Manifested this flip. Now we the ones that's the next to blow. Never thought we'd get it like this. Yeah. Doing that real. Yeah. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more.
Money for it? Zero.
For what? Ice, I guess. Get money.
Hi, David. Yeah. All right, Aji, get out of here first. My gosh.
Get close.
He said, nah, it's good.
Victory lap right here. Here we go.
Victory lap.
Dad.
My God.
You're like, that's it. Then you're there and you're like,
You won, as you always do. Yeah. Have you ever been beat?
Not yet, no.
Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. You want it all. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. You want that real. Yeah. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Yeah. Say no more. Pulling the numbers you can. Yeah, yeah. Remember the days with no gas in my tank. Yeah, yeah. 2 jobs, made it work. No daddy money, no one invested. Been a player since birth. Of course, these women gon' flirt. Of course, these women gon' swoon. Love me or love what I do. Either way, this love is so overrated. So music, I only want you. This is my passion, my gift, and my all. When they said quit, I said, homie, we'll ball. They said I'll never make it, and I laughed. Better watch out when records hit the wall. Yeah. Said I would, I got it done. Said I told you I'm the one. Said I wouldn't, got it done. you I'm the one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Doing that real, yeah. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Doing the vibe. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Doing it all. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Doing that real, yeah. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more.
So if it's matching against I'm having a hot dog. You can't see me because of sun glare. No, you can see you. The lid's still on the ketchup, so I can't squeeze it out. But yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow Ben on all social media. How did the car show go?
The car show went amazing. It was so much fun. Good. I can't find my window. It was an awesome time.
Stop.
We raised a lot of money for our senior class, so thank you to everyone that came out, and hope you enjoyed this video.
Stick the fuck back, hoes, lay the whole pack on, take the